This is the machine you will get for the cat wedding. This is the hoister feeder, and this is the man machine. The full set man machine here we will pack in one case, and the feeder will be packed in one case. When you get the two boxes, only connect hoister feeder with the conveyor by the screw nuts here. Then connect air here. There is an air pipe. Connect the power. Then all the air pipe and the wire, we will mark label. There will be a label for you to recognize. Then you can run the machine. It's quite simple.